How to create an automatic rolling rota with Simple Rota Maker. First, select your shift pattern based on the working week pattern. We have all possible week patterns to suit your needs. Next, you can customize the start and end day to the working week. Enter the name of the rota and the number of workers. We support unlimited number of workers. Next, select the date the shift starts and ends, followed by the time of day the shift starts. Next, set a duration for each shift. If it's 24 hours, you get a monthly view with daily shifts. If it's 1 to 23 hours, you get a weekly view with shift hour duration. For weekly view, you can set a shift end time to determine the time of day each shift ends. You can select the number of workers per shift. We support unlimited number of workers working each shift. When the rota is complete, you tap the worker names to show the full worker list for each shift. Optionally, you can preset the worker away days so they are not rostered on specific days like leave requests. Tip: setting away days adds variability to your rota pattern, so the same workers don't follow each other in the pattern. Optionally, you can preset the worker must work days if workers request to work specific days. And that's it. You've generated your bespoke rota pattern. Now you can share a link to the rota, and this opens and saves the rota to workers' devices. You can make quick edits to modify away and must-work days. This creates a new .edit version of your rota, which you can continue to edit. Please note, if you edit the main rota again, it replaces the .edit version. Your workers can download dates for their specific shifts. They can add the dates to their device calendar. From the app settings, workers can remove all the shifts sent to their calendar. You can make a full edit, modifying all parameters of the rota, including adding, removing, or renaming workers. You can see detailed statistics of each worker's shift. Very handy for fairness and sending to payroll. Workers can set a reminder for their shifts and get notified 1 or 2 days or a week before a shift. Workers can download the entire rota to spreadsheets if needed. Workers can save, share, or print an image of the shifts and can save a personal copy of the rota. Don't forget light and dark mode. And that's it. You've now created your very own bespoke rolling rota.